Y'all, if you're watching this right now, you're married.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby. We get married.
We have your dad with his back.
Cam, how you feeling, brother?
All those chickens.
Those aren't chickens.
Zaire can help you. He's the expert.
I am an expert.
everything.
Let's
go! Every years.
We're missing one though.
Look at these
We're missing Jake.
Blues Brothers.
So you guys will put them on yourself. Hi, Daddy. All right, that's great. Thank you guys. All right, let's do bridal party. So let's go ahead and get all the bridesmaids.
Would you like a flower? I've got some flowers
What you got there, bro?
Flowers for sale.
Flowers for sale.
Flowers for sale. Free 99.
That is
Free
Free
99.
99. Great deal.
Thank you, Mariah. Getting ready for prom.
Love you too.
Love you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How's it going?
You looking great, man.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Look at this tie.
Got it from
3 words.
Hot Topic clearance section.
Your kids are gonna wonder what Hot Topic is.
Hot Topic.
Give them a description of what Hot Topic is right now.
It's like heavy metal
Meets.
kids who got spanked as a child.
Wow.
You haven't even said that it's a store.
Oh, that might be you.
Hot
Getting
Topic.
spanked by a camp.
Hot Topic isn't a store; it's an experience.
That's deep. Tell your kids that.
If Green Day's not playing when you walk in, what's happening?
You're at American Eagle.
American Eagle. Right.
Somebody says it. And I'm like, everyone's looking around. He's the imposter. Yeah, and
I don't see what the big deal is.
and we were like, what? And then Jerry goes, it was me, and we're like, catch me. What a roller coaster of emotions we're experiencing right now. Hey, well, you know, my Apple Watch is saying, I'm like, cardiac. I'm like, well, whatever jokes are being made, I hope you're good for it. That was a fire.
Look at them dropping that dun-dun-dun.
Dropping that. Now you're getting them death shots.
Alright, one more. 3, 2, 1. Great. Okay, parents can step out and then let's hit that. Okay. Yeah, I like that kind of fur. I do. Look at each other. I'm so sorry.
What?
Look at each other for me.
Kiss. Yeah, yeah.
So excited for you. Love ya.
Yo.
Guess what? Chicken butt.
I need Taylor.
Chickens are out there.
Taylor Gray.
Taylor.
Taylor Gray. We don't want to record too long. Cam's mom's here now. Cam's parents are here now.
We'll get them. I'll take care of the beer. And Zeke.
Welcome to the party. Hello.
Three, two, one. Nice. Okay, can you guys put your arms around the thing?
I know. I feel like
So close. How can you zoom out? Oh, it's you're pressing that. I was like, it is zoomed in. Yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys?
Go back to my YouTube channel anytime.
Aww. Do we have anything to say?
Congrats to the happy couple.
They're like totally getting married right now.
Totally getting married right now, and apparently that's pretty awesome. And apparently I've never been on live camcorder before.
Don't worry, I got you. You know what? It was on camera mode. That's why I wasn't. I think I got it though.
That's cool.
Fellas, let's get married.
Let's get married.
Let's get married.
He said he was on Pardon My Take this week, and he said that him and his wife get up on Sundays, they watch Sports Advisors and go to church. Yeah, Steve Bonner gives gambling selfies, does wild things. It's all good. It's all good.
I'm sorry.
I got a reason.
Okay, got it.
And then Wendy was like, somebody's got a ganja. I was like,
Weed. What does it smell like right now?
Weed. I'm assuming you've never been.
It's because of this man.
Joel and Corey Duke hang out a lot. Have you ever been to Corey and
How would you describe the smell right now?
Yeah, they live together.
Guys, you made us take pictures in the weed factory.
The most beautiful weed
Look,
factory.
it's the Clark.
In the wilderness, look, as the man discovers where he wants to live. In the middle of the wilderness.
I'm gonna hop across to you. I could only go really, really bad.
Very nice. But they just have weed stuff set up. Is Mason Priest different
From what?
what he was in high school?
Shit! That man, handsome. That man. That man. Oh, don't do that, Corbin.
I mean, I think he's.
What time is it? Right now?
1:20.
Be at the church at 2 without only what? 10 minutes away? Whoa! And then it just gets better and better. I'll send you 2 next 1 or 3. The turtle. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it on?
No.
We're bad, dude. Scratch him. Yeah, it's always the same.
We're here
Are we live?
at a wedding watching the Cincinnati.
It's halftime. It's halftime. They're up 17-3. It's all good.
Okay.
Victory bell's coming home.
Is this a Saturday?
This is unfortunately a Saturday. Yes.
As in,
Saturday field.
yeah. Okay.
As in the field, yeah.
All right. Here you go. Here you go.
This is my.
Oh, I'm sorry.
A lost soldier in
Glad I got it.
the war of love.
You should have just taken a good 5
Aubrey, where are we going?
McDonald's.
Hey, pre-wedding McDonald's. Jake, what would you like? Go to McDonald's order.
I like McChickens.
Ah, yes, Lord. Like those things out there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Have a million chickens and go quack, 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 quack.
I love them chickens. Look at all those chickens.
Hey, Mom and Dad.
Hey, kids. This is a McDonald's. I know they don't have those now since it's 2045, but this is what they used to look like. And you had to order from a machine. And people talked to you. Kind of crazy, right? That thing right there, look at that. That's called a QR code. QR code. This is 3 minutes later. You had to use to wait for your food, not just get it from Amazon. Crazy, right? This is called a drive-thru. You would get your food from a window. Huh?
South Carolina's beating LSU. I know. I guess they're good. I don't know.
No, not that. It's like bending your face. It's bending your.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
If they lose.
Stanford, Andrew Luck, ACC legend. Just getting the right around.
Yeah, just trying to get some solid footage.
Yeah. Some candid footage.
Yeah, just some interactions.
Yeah,
You know.
for liability reasons.
Trying to figure out the Zoom features. You would think they would have Zoom somewhere.
Rick Harrison from Pawn Stars speaking at Trump rally.
I'm sure that'll get a lot of voters. Ooh, I watch Pawn Stars.
The Pawn Stars vote crowd.
That's a big crowd. Smile, Cam.
Just be like that.
It's your special day.
Do you have any words to share?
Little child, if you're watching this,
Oh.
that means I'm no longer alive.
No longer alive.
For what?
They're going to practice. They practice dancing. Yeah. The first dance. Nope, might be the second one. But dancing.
Yeah, the first dance is not between
Yeah.
the mom and the son.
Yeah.
That's the mother-daughter dance. I mean,
Mother,
mother-son.
my daughter, dad. Daddy, daughter.
Oh, yeah, he said that to me.
Yes. Yeah, these are low-key a little nicer. Ours were like almost too like suede. Like, and Corbin was talking about it rained that day. And it.
All right, we made it to the George.
Myself 7 times.
This, Cam's kids, is something called a phone.
Got my second divorce.
Yeah, I'm not gonna read all that. That's too long.
I didn't.
That is what we call an altercation.
An altercation.
Said something personal.
This, kids, is what we call cell phones.
Is this a video for their kids or for their wedding?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right. These are called people before AI. No. This is your mom. She's awesome.
Somewhere along the way, this became for our kids. Hi.
What are their names? What are your kids' names? Oh my gosh.
Hey, Chauncey.
Chauncey and Finley. This is Rob, and he is awesome.
That's your great uncle.
This is Anna. Alrighty.
Mr. Clark, kids, your dad is behind the camera right now.
What up, kiddos?
He's about to marry your mom. Wait,
Woo!
I'm your peepaw, and I think you're gonna be a boy. I'm Uncle Pee. Your peepaw's so progressive. You just give it a couple more years, buddy. All right, I just bet on Oregon State to cover the spread, and I need it to hit because I'll lose $5.
Come on now for the money.
$5.
And then you're going to donate it to our kids' college fund.
$5 to win $9.
College fund.
That 9 is actually just my money. So $4.
There's your second cousin, Jay Roy, the boy toy with the ploy.
Oh, shoot.
Okay. I'm going to drink some water before.
One day somebody will watch this video and we will be like, dang.
Hey, ladies. Hey. It's showtime. Hey. Hey, guys. Decided to give the camera a try. Yeah, no, this is fun. I like this. It's kind of nice. There's my family down there. Oh, how do I zoom? There we go. Yeah. I love it. Getting ready for game time, baby.
Yeah,
How do I stop this?
Well, you didn't know this is a murderer.
She's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty.
Sherry told me, Cam, he was a young boy, and he was asking about Uncle Rob, and he was worried about Uncle Rob. And his Uncle Rob okay? And I'll never forget that. Like, oh, little Cam was worried about his Uncle Rob. Cam, you are a hidden treasure. And I say that because I don't know many young 20-year-olds who are like you. And you're a hidden treasure. The loyalty that you have, your heart, your honesty, your helpful spirit, you have a convictional heart, and you're in tune to the Spirit of God, and you desire to grow in relationship with God. And I love that you're a part of Crossroads staff. I love that you're in ministry. And I love that it's so cool to share with my sister. I love how you love sharing the Bill so well. You love your parents with a really special love. You're so creative. I love listening to your songs. I love you putting new beats together and just your musical creativity. You have creativity in your thoughts. You're so fun to be with. And I think, Cam, I've gone to my only WWE match. Actually, that's with Cam. And so it's just so fun. And I think you are always so inclusive and loving and accepting. I love that. I think of my son Jackson, who's in the way. I think they could almost be brothers. Jackson was 7 years younger than Cam, and always made Jackson feel welcome and loved and accepted. Even when you're in middle school, he was elementary. He was still accepted and loved him. So I love those things. Allie, it has been such a joy learning you. I remember from the first time you walked in the house, I thought, this girl is sharp. You're such a great conversationalist. You always are. And I remember just being so impressed with you after you left. And in my heart, hoping, like, gosh, I hope this works out. And I love that you have a sensitive spirit, too. I think you are really intelligent. And I think, in a fun way, when you are on fun, that you're spicy. In a good way. Here's what I love about Allie, is she's so sweet, but don't you dare take that sweetness as weakness. Because you can stand up for yourself, you're not going to let somebody push you around, and you are strong, you're not a pushover, and you know who you are and what you stand for. And that, I love that about you. Don't ever lose that. Jen and I, we talk about a lot of these things, so she shared a lot of this too, but your smile lights up a room. And I know that sounds cliche, but there's something loving and special in your smile. I love that you have a heart for God, and you're following the Spirit, and you're trying to love God as much as you can. You're up for always an adventure. You're kind of down for whatever, like, okay, I'll do that. And you're so positive and upbeat, and you're an encourager. I love how you encourage Cam. And Jen and I said, you just seem to know your worth and value. So don't ever forget your worth and value. And together as a couple, and now hush, we'll go to some vows. Together as a couple, just continue to believe in one another. Continue to defend each other like you do. Continue to pray for one another like you do. Jennifer and I think you are an excellent father together. I heard the quote recently that said that while you're dating someone, if you can see yourself serving God better together, then marry that person. And Cam and I feel like that's what you are doing. You have found someone you can serve God better together, and here you are getting married. And we're so thankful. And you all played that quote out in such a great way. It's so great to see and rare to see. So my last encouragement, taking your quick cue on 1 Corinthians 13. I want to encourage you all to be patient. Don't rush each other. Go at the other's pace and not your own pace. Be kind and loan each other your strength. Don't remind each other of your weaknesses. Celebrate your successes. Minimize each other's failure. Create a culture of mutual honor. Protect, trust, hope, and persevere. In the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 5, verse 5, it says, it is better not to make a vow than to make one and not fulfill it. So these vows that you're getting ready to share, these are significant vows. God says, I know you're not making it, you're not fulfilling it. I know the heart, the girl's heart, is the same body. And so Cam will ask you a few questions at the end that you would say, I do. Cam, you take this moment to be your one wife, to live together after God's design in the holy state of matrimony. Promise to love her, comfort her, honor, and keep her in sickness and health. and to forsake all others, keeping yourself only for her as long as you both live. And Allie asks the same question. He said, Allie, do you take a stand to be a wedded husband, to live together after God's design in the holy state of matrimony? You promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and to forsake all others, keep yourself only for him as long as you both live. Can you look at Allie repeat after me? I can take you out. I can take you out. To be my wedded wife. To have and to hold. To have and to hold. From this day forward. For better, for worse. Better, for worse. For richer, for poor. Richer, for poor. In sickness and in health. To love and cherish. Until death parts us. And Allie, as you look at Cam, as you have to be. I, Allie, take you, Cam. To be my wedded wife. To have and to hold. From this day forward. For better, for worse. For richer, for poorer. In sickness and in health. To love and to cherish. Until death parts us. In just a moment, they'll exchange rings, and we know that rings are just a visible sign, as the invisible line between us this day. May it ever be a witness to all of the inward, and spiritual bond of life. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Now, as we put our hands this ring I give you as a symbol of the promise made between us this day. May it ever be a witness to all of the inward and spiritual bond of our life. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. One of Cam and Allie's favorite verses that's significant down, I think it was on your, is it your reading? Yeah. It is Ecclesiastes 4:12. It says this: though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. And I love that. A braided rope is not easily broken. If you have 3 separate strands, those are easily broken. But when you intertwine them, representing Cam and Allie and God, intertwining them together, they're not easily broken. When there's tension and when there's stress, they won't break like you do when you're individual. So this cord of 3 strands, and the scriptures talk about it as a symbol of the miracle God performs, uniting you two with him as one. Cam and Allie have designed to take communion, just the 2 of them over here. And it reminded me of this. Not only are they reminding themselves of the sacrifice, the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus, but weddings are a big part of the Bible. It starts with Adam and Eve, being one flesh, ends with a big marriage. Beautiful way of joining Christian marriage, and of proclaiming before God, affirming your acceptance of the responsibilities of such a union, and pledging your faith and love to each other, sealing your vows in the giving and receiving a ring. You are husband and wife in the sight of God. Let all people here and everywhere recognize and respect this holy union now and forever. And before I get out of the way, you can kiss your always my privilege to be the first.
Please don't take my sunshine away. Hold up, wait a minute. Something wrong.
What do you have to say? It's about to die. Say sorry.
Don't die.
Say sorry.
Sorry. Die.
What do you want to say to